Hey there. If you are interested in coming to the Women in Cloud event and you are looking to grow your career, three top reasons would be access to training, but really access to mentors and people that are in the trenches of this emerging sector. You may find niches that could be your next job that you've never even thought of before. And last is access to jobs and the recruiters hiring for them. You'll be able to talk one-on-one with them and really just see where the right fit is for you. So I encourage you to attend the event. Thanks.